My windows are dirty. That's the outside. I am so nervous for this guy. We're finally at like the dead part of my tree. And like, I'm nervous. I don't feel like holding this. Resting on the stop sign window. We're doing business now. Anyways, basically this giant tree is only deading at the top. The rest of what got cut, as you can see. Wow. Basically still have leaves. So I'm like bittersweet about this, but we've been having a lot of bad storms lately. And like these top pieces that are clearly dead get caught up in the wind and stuff, and they've been threatening our cars. So the tree has to go. And I'm very sad about it. I'm in my feelings. But this little man in my tree right now, he's a beast. Let's be a little honest. Is that a noose? Did he just make a fucking noose? What is that? Surely not. Anyways. It's weird. Anyways, he's like trying to guesstimate. Let me zoom in a little more. We gotta like. So, anyways, this guy here, he's just like doomed, right? And he keeps patting the branches up top. And I'm like, Lord, please do not strap yourself to one of those because they are unsturdy. And clearly, like, he's a professional. He's done this a few times, right? And I'm just in my bathroom, spying out a man in my tree, in a stop sign window, nonetheless. This window. Oh, you can't see it. Let me zoom out. Wow, stop sign window. I had a plant in there, and I had to move it, so I got dead leaves. I had to hide it, or they're going to try and take my plants. Anyways, watch this guy. I feel like I need to pause it and wait till he cuts to the next branch. Look at this. One leg on, one leg on. You better relax. This is not stable. Oh, he is about to cut. He's getting his thing out. Mike texted and said, how the F did the top of the tree die? Only the God knows. I'm trying to like be steady, but like I'm holding my arm basically upright because this tree is massive. And so I'm like balancing it on the ledge of this window, but I'm still holding it basically. I'm trying to steady it. What's he about to do? I don't know. I think he's gonna split it right here at the top, where it kind of forks, like above his head where it forks to the right. I think he's gonna split down instead of just like taking the branch by branch. Because he's getting his thing. Like he's about to do this. He's about to do this. Is he just cutting it straight across? Because that's what a low-key looks like. Bro, how nuts would that be? And he just cuts it straight on the top, and they just pull it over. We're about to get to it. You think he's listening to music? Abby Cheese. Come here. Dog barking and shit. Uh-oh, I can hear them talking. I can't see. Mind you, I gotta be on my tiptoes to even peek. I think that's the manager. I gotta be on my tiptoes to even peek out this window as it is. I'm 5'3" and this window is like a little too tall for me. I'd probably it says like 5758. I don't know. Stop window. Okay, so he made a notch. I don't know if y'all can see the glove on his right hand. Right above it, there's a notch in the tree. I want to zoom, but like I feel like it's gonna get retarded. Hold on. Yeah. Oh, there it is. That's a chef's kiss shot, and I don't even know if he knows I'm in here. Because, like, I was all in the window to where people even on the ground could see me, but because I stood in my bathroom. But, like, I feel like it's like a local tree company or something, and I genuinely feel like the top of the street about to come down right now. I feel like he's used to this. People staring at him. Yo, what is happening? Whoa, what? What? Tiny man in a tree? Holy shit. I gotta zoom out. That was a lot. For reference. Holy crap, bro. Like, that's insane shit. My poor tree. This is crazy. So I guess what he's going to do now is he's going to go and like shimmy a few feet every so often downwards and then just cut as he goes. Because surely they're not just going to cut the bottom of this tree now and let this big ass stump fall. Right? They wouldn't do that. I don't know. They might. Oh. I was wondering how they got that up there. He throws it. They have this thing. This guy right here, he's about to swing this thing. And I've been watching this thing fly to the top of the tree. And get caught in like the branches, right? And the tiny man in the tree gets it. But I was like, how do they get it up there? Dude throws that. I don't know what it is. It's some type of like chain. But it's got like a thing on the end with spikes. You know what, bro? I don't even. This is so fascinating. I low-key want to look up how this is actually professionally done, like the tools they use besides a chainsaw, because this is cool. Obviously, the tiny man in the tree is oranged out with security ropes to make sure he's good. And that thing that he's pulling, what I've noticed is just to pull the branches that he's cutting down so they don't fall in a weird way. Look how cool that is, though. I'm just so curious about how they're gonna get the rest of it down. Is it gonna go just by the base? Let me back this up, because they can definitely see my hand. They're like this weird girl. Mind you, I could easily look out my back door, but I would feel weirder in a way doing that than this. I backed it out. Alright, I'm going to come back when I figure out what else he's doing. Give my arm a break. I'm going to pause this. Y'all, this man spun down this tree so quick, I didn't even have a chance to snatch my phone. He came down like Spider-Man. I thought he was up here going to rope his next cut move, like under where he's going to cut, right? He just shimmies this tree like nobody's business. All right, now I'm curious. Let's see, are they going to take it by the base? Surely not. That's a big tree to take by the base. Oh, shit. Oh, damn, I feel like he just looked at my phone. Where are you going, tiny man? They're going to take it by the base, bro. Somebody put a mini bobcat in the way of the base. It wasn't originally there. All right, I think he's going to move it, though. He's going to have to, because if that tree's going to come down this towards us, he's going to have to move that out the way. Yeah. I can't even put in perspective how tall that tree still is, technically. Alright, we'll wait. We'll come back. Yo! I almost missed it. I was literally telling myself how I'm getting so tired of waiting. Oh my gosh, bro. I feel like I need to stand up proper for this. Sorry, that looked a little chaotic. I can back it up some now. Yeah. Got a guy off to the back over here. Because the tree's gonna go that way. God, I'm hoping. This, the guy that's cutting it now is not the tiny man in the tree. I think he's the overseer of the crew. I guess like a manager or something. Bro, you don't even know how sad this is. I think he sees me. To be fair, I'm in the brightest tie-dye hoodie. I stick out like a sore thumb in this window, but I don't even care. I've waited like... They came at 9, and I think it's like 11 something now, so... I just want this tree to fall and be done. You know? I'm over it. Tired of waiting. Surely they're not going to leave me a stump that big, though. Oh, man. Alright, I'm going to start angling it this way because I have a feeling they got the chain tight on the top, if you can see. Oh, that tree giving you shit. Yeah. This is so sad. A lot of that tree was alive. I don't know how it died at just the top. I don't know why, but this makes me really sad. I think I need to back it up. I can't even get the top of it in there. Yo! Holy crap! Look at the chunk this man just took out of my tree. Holy crap. Oh, this is gonna be freaking epic. This is gonna be something serious. Keep him safe, Jesus. Keep him safe. I don't like him killing my tree, but keep him safe. Shouldn't you be wearing goggles? You'd think all that wood chip would be in your eyeball. Yo, my house just vibrated with that shit. Oh my god. Look at that tree, bro. Yo. That shit went just right behind that tree. Holy crap, bro. That's insane. That shit shook my foundation. Oh my God, and it rattled my soul. All right, I'm done for the day, y'all. I've been up in this window for 2 hours. I'm calling it.